Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install FFmpeg Codec library for Audacity. Click Edit Preferences. Click Libraries. Click Download. Click FFmpeg Installation section. Click Installing FFmpeg for Windows. Click FFmpeg Download page. Click FFmpeg Executable file. Open download file. Click Yes to continue. Click OK. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Open Audacity. FFmpeg library successfully installed. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.